Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to learn 5 Italian phrases that Italians use every single day. These are expressions you'll hear in conversations, at work, with friends, and while traveling in Italy. Phrase 1. Tutto bene? One of the most common Italian expressions is tutto bene? It means, everything okay? Italians use it every day to ask friends, family members, or colleagues how they are doing. For example, ciao Marco, tutto bene? Sì, grazie. Italians. Phrase 2. Come mai? Come mai means, how come? Or, why? For example, oggi sei in ritardo. Come mai? Phrase 3. Non c'è problema. This phrase means, no problem. It is often used when someone apologizes. For example, scusa per il ritardo. Non c'è problema. Phrase 4. Hai ragione. This expression means, you're right. For example, fa molto caldo oggi. Hai ragione.
Phrase 5. Non lo so. It means, I don't know. For example, dov'è Luca? Non lo so.
Grazie! Per oggi abbiamo finito! Iscriviti e seguimi per imparare l'italiano con me!